Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, I will show you how to use our website to find what you need.
You can get to our website by either typing in the address vinu.libguides.com/shakelibrary or by clicking the link on the library's card in VUX.
Once you get to our website, you will see it's divided up into sections to make it easy for you to find the information you need. Near the top of the page, you'll see our Home, Lewis Library, ID Pictures, Library Count, Programs and Activities, and more help tabs. Under the Home tab is where you can find links to our About Us, Hours, Policies, Library Services, Services for Faculty, Staff, and our social media pages. The Lewis Historical Library links you to our finding aids and online holdings in the VU archives. ID Pictures takes you to the page that gives you instructions on how to submit your pictures for your VU ID or how to request one to be taken. My Library Account leads you to your Shake Library account. You can log into your account by using your
VUX.
login. To learn more about it, watch our video titled Using Your Library Account. Programs and Activities shows you all of the various activities that Shake Library has planned for the semester. More Help takes you to our Help page, which includes a list of our Shake Library videos and other places on campus that can help you out. On the left side of the screen, underneath the tabs, is our Library Hours. Any temporary changes to our hours will be listed here as well. Below that is our web chat. This is a great way to ask for help with your research or ask any general questions you might have. If a librarian isn't available, then you can email your questions to libref@vinu.edu and we will answer as soon as we can. The main feature of our website is OneView, our library search engine. It searches all of our books, online articles, and ebooks. To learn more about OneView, watch our video titled Using OneView. Right under OneView, we have our subject guides and research help. This link will take you to our LibGuides. Here, you can find guides created by VU librarians on all sorts of subjects, including course guides and citation help. To learn more, watch our video titled Using LibGuides. Next is our databases A to Z, which takes you to a list of all our databases. From here, you can search our databases by themselves instead of using OneView. This can be useful when OneView is giving you too many results and you need to narrow it down, or your topic of choice is very specific. Each database includes a brief description and they are listed alphabetically. You can limit the databases by subject, type, and vendor. On the right, you will see our popular databases, and if you limit by subject, the best bets will be listed at the top of the page. To find out more about our databases, see our video titled Searching Databases. Library tutorials will take you to our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Here, you can watch all of our videos. These videos were created to help you discover and learn how to use Shake Library resources. For faculty, we also have our Services for Faculty page. This is where professors can request library instruction, find our library assignments, and much more. Study room reservations allows you to view all of our study rooms, how many people they hold, what each room contains, and when they are available. From here, you can also reserve a study room. To learn more, watch our video titled Reserving Study Rooms. WebPrint allows you to send a print job to Shake Library from anywhere on or off campus. Once you've submitted a print, you will have 24 hours to come to the library and print off your document. To learn more, watch our video, WebPrint at Shake Library. If you are having a problem with a database or an ebook, then click Report a Problem with Databases or eBooks. Fill out the form on the next screen as best as you can. Once you submit the issue, we will receive an email and will be able to find and fix it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.